Good evening, everybody. It is January the 17th, 2020. It is 20 after 6. Let me just make sure that on my phone. Yes. All right. Here we go. Your earthquake report. There was a 4.1 according to the USGS, Central Alaska. They had it 42 miles southeast of Cantwell at 44 miles in depth. EMSC had it at a 4.1, Central Alaska, 71 miles south of Haley at 44.1 miles in depth. This came across on the USGS and the EMSC. The EMSC said there was a 4.2, Puerto Rico. They had it south of Tabello at 11.8 miles in depth. USGS said it was a 3.7, Puerto Rico, 2 miles southwest of Tabello at 6 miles in depth. Both links are in the description box. There was a 4.2, Veracruz, Mexico at 21.7 miles in depth. A 4.1, Eastern Siberia. Now, guys, Russia, be patient with me. It was Chutskiy. Next word is Avtononnyy. And the last word would be Okrug, Russia. That was the USGS. They've got it at 12 miles in depth. EMSC has got it at a 4.1. Chukottka, Russia, at 11.8 miles in depth. Both links are in the description box. There was a 3.1, Tropica, Chile. They've got it at 65.8 miles in depth. A 3.9, Antofagasta, Chile. They've got that at 175.2 miles in depth. A 2.0, it was only on USGS, Montana. They've got it 4 miles northeast of Butte at 0 miles in depth. Sorry, I haven't got the bell. This came across on the USGS and the EMSC. They've got a 2.2, Oklahoma. They've got EMSC has got it 11 miles northwest of Lindsay at 1.2. USGS has got it 11 miles southwest of Blanchard at 1 mile in depth. All right, this came across on the USGS and the EMSC. There was a 4.3, Puerto Rico. USGS has got it 9 miles south of Tabello at 6 miles in depth. All right, EMSC has got it at a 4.5, 9 miles south of Tabello at 6 miles in depth. They've got the depth, they've got the location, but 2 different magnitudes, both links in the description box. There was a 4.1, Guerrero, Mexico at 11.8 miles in depth. This one came across on the USGS and the EMSC at 3.4, Andreoff Islands, Aleutian Islands, Alaska. EMSC has got it at 18 miles in depth. USGS said it was a 3.4, Andreoff Islands, Aleutian Islands, Alaska, 57 miles southwest of ATKA, 18 miles in depth. They both have the same depth and the same magnitude. All right, the last but not least, EMSC said there was a 3.1, Spain. They upgraded that to a 3.3, Spain. They have it 10 miles southwest of Cullar-Vega, Spain, at 6.8 miles in depth. I'm sorry, it is just too cold outside. The windshield factor is too cold. I'm not going to sit out there and freeze and get sicker. You guys have yourself a great evening. I'll be back at midnight with the Midnight Report. All links are in the description box. Remember, if I say USGS and EMSC, they will be there. Have yourself a great one. 2 thumbs up. Sending much love. God bless each and every one.